figure out, if you live in the city, where you can get to the countryside. You need nature in order to thrive. You need this. So I live in an apartment building. I own the building, and it's in a city block. But this is 5 minutes walk, like 4 minutes maybe. Look, there's a river down there. Come with me, I'll show you. It's absolutely beautiful. Gotta watch the poison ivy. And the spider webs. Find a spot where you can just sit and relax and be with nature, be with God, connect with your angels. All right, so down this big embankment is this beautiful little river. I think it's the Piscataqua, I'm not sure. It goes into the Merrimack River that dumps into the Atlantic Ocean about an hour south-ish of here. But isn't this beautiful? Look at this. So pretty. There's a spot right here. I have it all to myself. Isn't this so pretty? Look, I can even sit here. Oh, put my hands in the water. Here, I'll do it vicariously for you without falling in. Oh, hello, I send love into the world. Love, light, peace, hope, and joy into all the earth through the water. Find your spot. Go there every day, even if it's for 1 minute or 5 minutes. You're going to start feeling better. Feeling better is the name of the game. Check out my other videos. Got this.